Time for a smoothie bowl. Pineapple, frozen banana, frozen avocado. Just touched down in London town. I don't know the one exports. Oh, American boy. Hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this 5'7" guy. Wait, 5'7"? That's fucking short. I just met this 5'7" guy. It's just my type. Okay, smoothie, coconut water. I want it to be thick, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. Yummy. They're so creamy.
It's not for me to say you love.
Ricky, come here. Alright guys, I made it to Connecticut. It's snowing. We're by my parents' little beach house. I'll show you the beach if I can see it. Woo. The water is right there. It is snowing good. Oh, here's my puppy now. My camera's getting wet, so I'm gonna turn this off. I got up super early to come take a train, and I haven't even changed my hair. Come here, puppy. Look at all that snow on you, pretty boy. Oh. Brooks is obsessed with other dogs, especially my parents' dog, Cooper. Okay, I'm getting cold. Let's go. Ricky, come on. Let's go. Come here, Gracie. Stay. Oh. Oh, no.
Yeah, I didn't know you will, would it?
Stay.
I want to see what he's doing. I want to do what he's doing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Just got home and decided to unpack everything right here in the doorway, so we're gonna have to deal with this. I just got back to my apartment in New York. I was spent the week with my parents, but of course I accumulated a bunch of things. I want to show you what I got, do a little HomeGoods and IKEA haul. First two things I got from HomeGoods that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love like olive boards, wood things, and they have the best like cheap boards. This one is like an olive wood, which is actually really expensive. I was trying to get another one online. They're so expensive, but they have great ones at HomeGoods. And then I also got a big dough bowl. So again, these are super expensive and hard to find. This one was $12. All right, and then I got some wood salad tongs, and I got two more pillar candles. I love this exact one from HomeGoods. If you can find it, grab it. I already have a few of these in the bedroom, but they're like a nice cream color, plant-based wax, cotton wick, but they're paraben free, because I've been learning that, you know, burning some things in candles can be unsafe. So this one being paraben free and all those things, very nice, unscented. And then like random, I got this stainless steel cleaner. I really wanted a good cleaner for my kitchen, and it was like right there, but I heard this is a good brand, Barkeeper's Friend. And I got some Calm gummies. These are magnesium gummies. I love these. And then I just got some pink Himalayan sea salt. They have like really huge bags for cheap there, so I got some of that. All right, and then I got some skincare things. They have like really great finds. Always check the expiration date, just a little, you know, PSA, but they have some really great finds there. So first of all, really happy with this. Ole Henriksen is like my favorite, one of my favorite skincare brands, and their products can be expensive. So I got this whole set of a cleanser, the Banana Bright eye cream, which is really great, and then the Sheer Transforming Perfecting Moisturizer. So really happy about this. It was like $24, I think, for all of this. And then I also got some Dr. Jart facial barrier masks. I always love to pick up like sheet masks there, and Dr. Jart is a really good brand, so I got this one. Okay, and then I grabbed another Kopari deodorant. I have like some travel ones, but this one was the charcoal one, and I just wanted to see. I'm really trying really hard to fully transition to the natural deodorant, but it is hard, man. They don't always work for me, and so I'm trying a bunch. This one's the charcoal one. I love their packaging. It's like a big stick. I don't like the smell. It smells weird, but it's fine. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. They also had some dry bar stuff, so I got this one. It was on sale. The Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Right, and then I've been seeing a bunch of First Aid Beauty at HomeGoods, and I love, or TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, whatever, same thing. I love First Aid Beauty. Every time I've gone, I've stocked up. I just got another one of this mini like travel cream because I love their moisturizer, but I always need like travel ones. So this is the Ultra Prepare Cream, and this is in the scent Rosemary Mint. Okay, that was it for HomeGoods. Now on to IKEA. I freaking love IKEA. I always end up leaving, oh, I got the hiccups. Leaving with so much stuff, and I'm like, ugh, this is gonna be hard to take home. First of all, their like glassware stuff can be really good and really cheap. So I got this pitcher. I love kitchen stuff. It's like my weakness. Then I got another craft. Again, love the cork top. I wanted another one of these for like, I don't know. I make teas, iced teas. Okay, and then I got another vase. I always just like to keep a bunch of vases around. I don't have any shape like this. Okay, I don't know why I was so excited for this. I felt like, what is wrong with me? Why am I so excited for this? But I got a new toilet plunger, and it made me really happy, and that made me like question myself, but it's fine. So I really liked it because like it's chrome or whatever, but it feels so heavy duty. It's like quality, like wow. I was like, oh my gosh, it's like a hotel bathroom. But my favorite part about it is that you open this, not me doing a tutorial on a toilet plunger, and then you take this out. And I bought a bunch of replacements, so you can always like throw them out. This was like $2, I think, and there we go. Very cute. I did question how much joy this brought me and excitement, but it's fine. Love the home. Got another one of these little organizers. I have one right here. I really like this like white lacquer with a lid. Very cute. Okay, and then they actually had some new cute like kitchen stuff. So I love Crate and Barrel. I'm like obsessed with it, and they have really cute like serveware, appetizerware and stuff. And I have a bunch of these little sauce or like condiments. We put like lemons and limes or whatever. We use them a lot, and we have a few shapes, but I saw these ones and they're so cute. Do you see that? And then I also got another little appetizer one. So it has these little bowls. So this is great for like appetizer treats, you know, whatever. Little bowls. There's 3 of them. There's a nice wood holder. Love that. All right, and then I got a big cutting board. All right, last few things. So I got this mirror. I'm really excited about it because I have like this little heart face mirror that I do my makeup in, but I kind of just wanted a new one. I wanted one a little bit more chic. So I really like this one because it's just like a natural wood, and obviously it sits like this, and it's actually really big. So honestly, IKEA has some of the best mirrors for cheap. Okay, and then I got a few pillow covers. I really like changing up my pillow covers, so I get inserts and then I change the colors. So this is kind of similar to what I have, but I got another like linen. It's like a little bit lighter of a linen color. It's like beige. And then I just got like a white kind of canvasy one. I thought these colors look good together. This is kind of my neutral tones that I'm going for. So okay, that was it for my IKEA and HomeGoods haul. I love getting new home stuff. I'm gonna like put all this stuff out now, clean up, and then I have a meeting at 2. I just got this new Necessaire package in the mail. Necessaire is like my favorite brand. I talk about them all the time. Very excited. This is everything I got. So I got another one of the body lotion, which is my absolute favorite product ever. They give you this little cute, adorable card. I got another hand cream because it's my favorite hand cream. So I ran out of the body lotion. I have some more of the hand cream, so this is just a backup of the body wash. And then I got the body serum. So this one I haven't tried, but my body gets so dry and I really wanted to try this out. I love serums for my face, so I thought, well, why not for my body? I got this on their website and it was like a deal, a body package where you get all of it for significantly less money than if you buy them individually. So very happy about that. Again, Necessaire is literally my favorite skincare brand. I will rebuy them again and again. All right, here's the outfit for dinner. Wearing this Zara top. Oh my gosh, the TV's gonna be going. Boots. Bag.
The vibe, but like the soaking good, I don't think.
I know, I'm pretty sure that's like this much in a regular glass. You get to sit next to each other.